Hello guys, it's Martin here again from a sunny Blackpool Automart. What have we got for you today? A lovely zero emission Nissan Leaf. Just arrived in, came in part exchange from our Honda dealer, which is across the road there. There's our dealership supplies us with the majority of our cars, and they do all our prep work over there. Our Honda technicians do all our work, which is good. This will be serviced or whatever it needs prior to it leaving. It is obviously fully electric. I'm not sure if you know your Leafs, but this is a fully electric vehicle. Distance on this is probably about 100 miles, I think. Something of that nature. I'll show you the readout inside the car when we get in there. It's got parking sensors and cameras front and back. So it's got a camera on the front, camera on the back. Lovely diamond cut alloy wheels. There's no sign of any curbing or any scuffing of the wheels. They all look very good. I did a swoop of the vehicle before I did the video. Done the majority of the cars. It's got 60 odd pictures on there. There's all the cabling. We've just had it on charge actually, sorry about that. It should have been put back into its bag. It does fit into its bag. There's a home charge there, and obviously there's a fuel station charge there, and there's the BOSE speaker system in the back that it's got with this. Don't get much better than BOSE. So it's obviously zero emissions, being an electric car. It's keyless entry, so you just press that button and the car opens. That didn't really go to plan. You get full leather heated seats in this car, which are nice. The car hasn't been valeted yet, so bear that in mind. It's just come in, so we haven't touched it. It does need a very good valet. It's got electric windows front and back, electric mirrors. It has cruise control. As I'll get in the car and show you. It's got cruise control here when it decides to focus. If it decides to, back in the room, yeah, there's your cruise, there's all your onboard computer switches on that side. There's the ever important mileage of the car, 24,460, which is fabulous. I'll start the car now. You won't hear a thing obviously because it's electric. Just press that button, foot on the brake. Everything goes on, starts happening on the dashboard, and she's running. So there's the battery, 50% it's at the minute, and it's got 62 miles. So it sounds to me like its distance will be double that. So if that gives you an idea, probably do your homework on it as well. I know the better distances on the batteries on the new Leaf, this current shape, than the first ones that came out. I think they only had 60 miles or something like that, which was a little bit mad. Comes with loads of spec. This is very high spec. You've got your heated seats and your cooling seats as well, which is good. USB auxiliary out. You've got all your different things for your heater on there. You've got your aircon. You've got your cameras to look at through. If you just want to look through your cameras, it'll flick through the. Won't show you the front one. It'll just show you the back one. The front one does work. I've just tried it up to that van there, and it does work. You get the same view. It's 360, so it can look all round at the. Let me turn this flipping blower off. One sec. Sorry about that. So you can see the car in a 360 view all around the car, so you'll be able to see the car next to you. If I was parked in the Sainsbury's car park, I would, on that view, I would see the car park right next to me. Obviously there's nothing around me, which is good. And like I say, it's got climate control. It's got, it looks like it's got a heated steering wheel as well. Really? Let me just see if I can show you that. It's hard to show. There, heated steering wheel. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the emblem of his heated steering wheel. It's going to be hard to tell if it works here because it's absolutely boiling here today. I'm just going to try it. Yeah, that is the emblem of a lot, and that turns your electric off when if it's plugged in. If you want to turn it off or something, whatever, that flicks the catch open, which I'll show you in a minute. I'll actually press that and it will open it. Steering wheel. This is only available with cruise control on that heavy makes your steering a little bit heavier when you're on a motorway, so you're not correcting all the time your steering wheel. Press that button and it just makes the steering wheel slightly more heavy. What else have we got in here? Obviously the funky gear change situation. As you know, the car is running at the minute. It is, but you can't hear a thing. So to put it into, obviously when you come to a stop, that's park. Okay, so it puts it into park. You can see it there. And when you want to go into D, drive, you pull that across and down. And then you get the D. Yeah. Reverse, that cross and up, and you get R. And obviously there's a car very close behind me, as you can see, and that's why it's come on with a bit of an alarm there saying, do you realise there's a car very close behind you? So, and then back into park, press that, and then all the bells and whistles and noises stop because he knows you've put it into park. Right, let's turn it off because I can never know when these are running and when they're not. The button's here, press that, and everything. Oh, it's saying to me there, saying if you put this car on charge now, I'm not sure what time it is now. Is it about, yeah, there it is above it, 12:25. It will be fully charged at 4:50. That's on a slow charger, which is good. It gives you an idea then. That's good that you turn your car off and it gives you an idea how long you will need to charge that vehicle up to 100%. Oh, great stuff. I didn't realise these had that. The old ones didn't. I think this is the first of the new shape. Oh, just something I nearly missed then, and it's very important what it is to me. Look, the sound system. BOSE. You do not get better than a BOSE, in my eyes, than BOSE speaker systems, and that's hence why it's got the BOSE sort of subwoofer sat in the boot. So I bet the music in this is, let's just say, quite good. Okay, that's enough about that. I'll just finish off outside showing you around the car. It's not a flat white colour, this, it's a metallic white, and it's hard to show really, but I don't know if you can see that where you're looking at, but it is definitely metallic paintwork. It's not a flat white, so it looks really, really good. It looks really well, and the diamond cut alloys look good as well. They look really well, and then you get the black roof. Anyway, so there you go. There's the Nissan Leaf. It's a 67 plate, which is a late 2017. It's fully electric. Got all the cables in the back where you can charge from home, or if you're stopping off for a coffee on your way to wherever. There's charge points pretty much on every motorway now. Pretty much. We've got them here. That's our charge point over there. Honda have them across the road in our Honda dealership. So everybody's getting them now because, well, they have to, because this is the future. This is where these cars are going. All electric is not going to go away. So get on the bandwagon now, folks, before everyone else decides to go. When they stop making diesel cars in whatever years it's going to be, 5-8 years, they're going to be more and more looking at these. The tax is obviously zero, and there's no emissions on it, and so you have no fuel cost other than the electric. So all good news. Right, obviously, if you want the car to be delivered to you, we are offering this at the moment, UK mainland only. So if you do want it delivered, give us a shout. If you want finance on it, again, we can give you quotes over the phone of what this would be a month. Let me know. We can do PCP and HP on this car, and also we take in part exchanges. Even if you've got money owing on your current car, we can settle that for you and start you off with a new agreement. So all good. Give us a call if you want any more videos, any more pictures. We do like doing our videos. We've been doing them many years. A lot of dealers are starting to do them now. I think it's more of a true reflection of advertising a car, a video. You get a feel about the surroundings of where the car is. It's not under a little 2-bit under the arches garage. We're a multi-million-pound company. We're part of a company called the Cox Motor Group. Our Seat dealer, us, Honda bikes there. Blackpool Honda in the distance where the car came in from. As a part exchange, we don't go out and buy cars. If you buy a car from an auction, you sometimes can be buying something that's put into the auction for a reason. There's something wrong with it. So we self-generate all of our cars. We've got like I say, we've got 16 dealers across the northwest. We've got 5 Automarts. Automart being the non-franchise side of the business, and that's hence why we've got a Nissan that we're advertising, because our Seat dealers can only sell Seat, our Honda dealers can only sell Hondas, and our Volkswagen dealer up in Lancaster can only sell Volkswagens. So there you go. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now. I've spoken off. That's the car. It's a lovely car. It's the only one we have. If you want to reserve it, by all means, go on our website. It's coxmotorgroup.com. It's just £100 to reserve the car, which is fully refundable if you come and look at the car and you're not happy with it, or if we deliver it to you and you're not happy with it. It'll be a first, but it's there. Check our reviews as well if you like at coxmotorgroup.com. We've got hundreds of reviews on there, and they're all pretty good, let me tell you. We do try and look after our customers, so we just want to be as transparent as we possibly can, and hence these videos. If there's any issues on this car, I will show them to you and be honest with you. It's pointless trying to hide something on the car, because when you come up and pick it up, you're going to say, I'm not happy with that, Martin, it's got a scuff on it and you never mentioned it, I don't want it. And then that's our fault, it's my fault for not mentioning it to you. Say, oh, if there was a scuff on this, there's a scuff on this, because it's done 80,000 miles or it's a 10-year-old car, I won't be doing that scuff. But if it's a 2-year-old car and it's 20,000 miles, it's a different story. Yes, I will sort that scuff out, or the scuffed aluminium wheel that's on the car, or a chip in the windscreen, whatever it might be, we will do it. But sometimes we don't. It's all dependent on car's age, car's mileage, and obviously the price of the car. If the car's £2,000 behind where it should be, and there's a chip in the windscreen, we probably won't do the chip in the windscreen. Anyway, that's the car. 01253 600 900. If you want it, give me a call, or if you want to go on our website, go on there and reserve it. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager. It's been lovely bringing you this car today. Hopefully we're going to hear from someone very soon. Have a great day, guys. Take care, and don't forget, stay safe. Bye for now.